Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds HUAWEI Freebuds 7i with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard or just write at the search. So we should write Bluetooth. If you see Bluetooth on other devices, press this line or click Enter. Now, if you have Windows 11, click Add Device button at the top. If you have Windows 10, you will have Add Device button at the top. In this window, you need to select Bluetooth. And now we can finally pair them with the PC. You need to open the charging case and do not remove your earbuds from the case. At the right side we have connection button. Press and hold this button for at least 2 seconds. These LED lights start blinking and we will see them at the device list. We have them. Click on them. And then done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!